Miss Miranda. Ready for another math lesson? I hope you had a great time doing your left and right activity. Maybe you played some hokey pokey. Maybe you found some left and right things outside. Today we're going to change it up a little bit and we're going to measure objects that you have in your bag of materials. So, inside of your bag of materials, you need today your tower of cubes, your glue stick, your highlighter, a crayon, and your dice. So make sure that you get all of those things out of your bag, and I'll give you just a minute to do it. Your dice, your crayon, your highlighter, your glue stick, and your tower of cubes. All right, now you need your math mat. We always do our math on our math mat. What shape is a math mat? 2 are short and 2 are long. That's right. Now, take your tower. It should be linked together. Let's count and unlink the cubes. We're going to put all the cubes on the right side of your mat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You should have 9 cubes. Now, let's move the cubes to the top of the mat. Slide them over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, take both of your hands and push them down to the bottom. Now, how could we use these cubes to measure the glue stick? What could I do with these cubes to measure my glue stick? Okay, I think you're right. I'm going to lay down my glue stick and I'm going to take my cubes and snap them together from the left side to the right side of my glue stick. 1, 2. Is that long enough? Not yet. What about 3? Does it go from the left to the right? Not yet. What about 4? Not yet. Let's add another one. 5? Almost. What about if I add 6 cubes? Is that how long the glue stick is? Is the glue stick 6 cubes long? Yes. Good job. So the glue stick is 6 cubes. So let's write glue. I hear that blend. Glue is 6. Okay, let's measure something else. Pull your cubes apart. What should we do now? Oh, I know. Let's do the dice. Pick up your dice. Put it in the middle. How can I measure this? That's right. 1 cube. 1 cube. How big is the dice? 1 cube. Let's write that. Ice. Really, one of these is called a die, but Miss Miranda's just going to call it a dice because that's what everyone in my classroom says. So the dice is 1 cube. Now, let's try the highlighter. Is the highlighter going to be more than the dice or less? If you said more, you're correct. Is the highlighter going to be more or less than the glue stick? If you said more, You're correct. Let's lay down the highlighter. Is it 1 cube? How many was the glue stick? 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is it long enough yet? Not yet. What if I add 1 more? What does that make? 6 plus 1 more is what? 7. So how many long is the highlighter? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's write high. That's a long one. Lighter. It's a compound word. How many did we say it was? 7. So which one is the longest? That's right. The highlighter was 7 cubes long. Which one was the shortest? The dice was how many? 1 cube long. Very good. Now, you can take your cubes around your house and measure different objects that you see. Something cool that you might have, one of your favorite things, something you might find in your kitchen or in your bedroom or in your toy box, and take your paper and write how many long different objects are. Another measuring tool that you have inside of your bag is a ruler. And instead of measuring by cubes, you could measure by inches. Inches. You can measure by inches. So you can use these 2 tools to go around your house and find different objects and measure how long they are. And make sure you write them down. Take your piece of paper around with you and measure and see what you can find. Something cool, something small, something teeny tiny or really big. And tell me what you figure out. Tell me what you figure out. Great job, boys and girls, measuring with things today. Now your job by yourself is to find your lesson, which is lesson number 106. So you look on your papers and you find number 106, and you're going to take it and you're going to read the directions and do what it says. And on the back, you're going to write your numbers from 1 to 20. When you finish any of your work, any of your math or any of your phonics or any of those things, where do you put your completed work? In your bag. Because do we have a drawer at home? We probably have a drawer. Do we have a drawer to put our work in at home like we do at school? Probably not. So find a safe place to put your completed work because Miss Miranda wants to see everything that you've done. So you go and have a good time measuring things in your house. I'll see you next time.